Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share Instagram reel to your story. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram, and then you need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to come into the reel section, and here you need to select any reel, and then you need to click on the share icon and click on add reel to your story. Okay, and here you can see that click on your story and now it is posting. So let me show you. Here it is. So it will take few seconds to update. It depends on your internet speed. So here you can see that. So this is a simple process by which you can share reel to your Instagram story. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.